Good evening. Tonight, the rule of law has the cold barrel of a gun to its head, courtesy of the state and some errant members of the citizenry. The government, through various arms and individuals serving therein, continues to act outside the law, unbowed, unashamed, and undeterred, not even by the oaths they take or the values they claim to live by or the humanity demanded of them.
Today, the Communications Authority of Kenya made a move that is not only illegal, but is tantamount to seeking to hide any morbid and inhuman ills committed by rogue police officers, which include killing unarmed, peaceful individuals. David Mugonyi, the Director General of the CIA, issued a supposed order banning live television and radio coverage of the widespread protests on this day, where many came out in remembrance of young people killed in the June 25th, 2024 protests.
In a letter to the media houses, CA declared the live coverage illegal and ordered the broadcasts stopped. Only that this directive was flawed on law and fact. It is a brazen violation of the people's cardinal constitutional right to free access to information.
Now, free media ranks high in the manifestation of civilized society this country strives to build. And it got even uglier. The CA raided NTV's Limuru transmission station and forcefully switched off its free-to-air signal. This is a disturbing development, bearing the hallmarks of a dictatorial trend that could have more serious ramifications.
You see, with the media watching and reporting fairly, truthfully, and transparently, the excesses and violations of the people's freedoms and repression can be curbed. This blanket ban is the surest way for the brutal characters in some of the security agencies to literally get away with murder, knowing that nobody will be monitoring and reporting on their criminal actions and illegal and undemocratic conduct. A raft of reprimands from many legally aligned minds and institutions followed then. Reprieve.
The High Court suspended the ban, but in an act of negative consistency, the Communications Authority has again placed the law underfoot and refused to comply to the orders. The impunity served by a state agency, and more specifically, public servants who are expected to do right, is unfortunate. This disdain of the law coming as an effort to cover illegalities against human rights.
All police officers, in their efforts to contain protesters, as well as goons who infiltrated the demos, have caused deaths and injuries. In some instances, it was outright repression of peaceful demonstrations. This has been a bad day for the law. Illegalities committed by members of the public, who here we'll refer to as goons, have served a blow to decency and dignity.
Businesses have been looted, destroyed, and left in ruins. These are not just businesses, they are lifelines. They are the hard-to-find daily bread for many. The country and all its citizens must uphold the rule of law, and this must be led by the individuals in power, those in public office, paid by Kenyans to serve them, not to live off them while decimating the law.